everyone, Savi here and welcome back to another video where today we'll be catching a flight on board Cebu Pacific on one of their newest routes from Davao going to Hong Kong. Now, let's head inside the airport to check in. Cebu Pacific had a major expansion here in Davao in October of last year with many new flights going to Caticlan, Puerto Princesa, Tacloban, along with international flights like Bangkok, Don Mayong, and Hong Kong, which is where we're going. Cebu Pacific offers 4 weekly flights between Davao and Hong Kong, mainly utilizing either the Airbus A320neo or the A320ceo aircraft. Check-in was quick and easy. Now let's head to immigration and proceed to our assigned gate. Since our plane is still parked at a remote stand, let's do a bit of plane spotting. Here is a Philippine Airlines Airbus A321 which is about to depart to Manila as PR1810. Here is Scoot's Embraer E190E2 which is about to depart to Singapore as TR369, one of the few international flights offered at Davao. Taking us to Hong Kong this morning is this 1-year-old Airbus A320neo aircraft with registration RP-C4144, which is being towed from our remote stand. And soon it was time to board. Welcome aboard Cebu Pacific's A320neo. This aircraft has 188 seats in an all-economy class configuration. And this is my seat 1 Foxtrot. Now let's tour the seat. Being it a frontmost seat, the legroom is very good. The seat back pocket contains the safety card, an air sickness bag, the Smile in-flight magazine, and lastly, the menu card. beneath the seats, you will find a USB-A port and a USB-C port. And in the ceiling above, you will find the personal reading lights and the air vents.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have now closed our main cabin door. May we request all our guests to please return to your assigned seat for the safety demonstration. Voice communication with the use of your cellular phones is not allowed at this time. Due to the potential risk of fire associated with lithium-ion batteries and damage to your portable electronic devices, we request that you remove all charging cables from the in-seat power outlets during taxi, takeoff, and landing. In addition, please do not charge any electronic devices including power banks during this time. Para po sa inyong kaligtasan, mangyari po lamang tanggalin ng mga charging cables sa in-seat power outlets at iwasan po ang pag-charge ng inyong mga portable electronic devices sa mga oras na ito. We are now ready to depart for Hong Kong.
Fire extinguishers in the cabin. Operation of the device is indicated on the equipment itself. We are about to take off. Fasten seatbelts securely, keep window shades open, and tray tables stowed. Voice communication with the use of mobile phones is prohibited while cabin doors are closed. This is a non-smoking flight. Use of vape, e-cigarette, and all smoking or vapor inhaling and emitting devices is prohibited by Philippine Civil Aviation regulations. Please stop using your gadget if the battery becomes excessively warm. This refers to all gadgets powered by lithium battery or charger.
我哋嘅航班即將起飛，請將椅背拉直，扣好安全帶，並將遮光板拉上，同收起前方椅背上嘅餐台。機艙門已經關上，請確保所有電子設備，包括手提電話已經關機。呢班係禁煙航班。菲律賓民用航空條例禁止使用電子煙同埋所有吸入、呼出類似煙氣產品嘅裝置。如果電池過熱，請停止使用你嘅電子裝置，包括所有由鋰電池或充電器供電嘅電子裝置。
飛機就要起飛了，請您調直座椅靠背，繫好安全帶，打開遮陽板，收起小桌板。
Copy, good to take up station.
taking flight, tampering with, disabling, or destroying the smoke detectors located in the laboratories is prohibited by law.
安全帶燈號已經關閉，但為咗你嘅安全，請你留喺座位時繼續扣上安全帶。呢班係禁煙航班，法例禁止干擾、關停或損壞洗手間內嘅煙霧感應器。
系好安全带的信号灯已关闭。为了您的安全，请您坐在座位上时始终扣好安全带。
Wish you roll our fun cafe snack bar. Be sure to check out the menu card found in your seat pocket.
Shortly after takeoff, the crew served me my meal, which I had pre-ordered at around 320 pesos. Since the chashu chicken was one of the best sellers, I decided to pre-order it prior to the flight. Plus, it also comes with a complimentary water bottle. Now I get why this is one of their best sellers, as it was really good.
For disposal, kindly clear your seat pockets of any litter. All electronic devices must be switched off or in silent mode at this time.
First officer speaking. We just started our initial descent towards our destination, and we are 186 nautical miles southeast of the airport. And expecting touch and time, traffic and weather permitting. At 11:20 this morning, time check it is now 10:43, and we'll be arriving 30 minutes ahead of schedule. Weather reported at Hong Kong is fair with the ground temperature at 19 degrees Celsius. On behalf of Cebu Pacific, I would like to thank you for flying with us, and we hope to be of service to you again in your future flights. Crew to landing station.
Maligayang pagdating, malalapag po lamang natin sa paliparang pandaigdig ng Hong Kong. Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at Hong Kong International Airport. Local time now is 20 minutes past the hour of 11 in the morning. There is no time difference between Hong Kong and Davao, Philippines. The ground temperature is at 19 degrees Celsius. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Exercise caution when opening the overhead bins as heavy items may have moved during the flight. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team headed by our flight deck crew, Captain Rodolfo Labaco Jr., with First Officer Tyrone Lau, together with your cabin crew, would like to thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moment. It is truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. For guests with infants, the Infants Life Vest shall be collected after disembarkation. Kindly leave the Infants Life Vest inside the seat pocket. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vests from the aircraft is a serious offense.
女士们、先生们，我们现在已经成功落地。为了确保安全与舒适，请您保持就坐，不要解开安全带，直到机长关闭安全带指示灯为止。如果您需要协助，请在座位上耐心等候其他乘客下机完毕。
Thank you for waiting. It is now safe for you to stand to get your bags. Maaari na pong tumayo para kumuha ng kagamitan.
And with that, welcome to Hong Kong International Airport. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please leave a like and comment down below on what you think of this flight review. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next flight review. Safe travels!